ABC Speaking Academy. Today, let's have a speaking practice. Using a common conversation at the market. Are you ready? Let's begin. What are we buying today?
We're getting some fruits.
Do you like apples or bananas?
I like apples more.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I like carrots.
What's your favorite snack?
I love popcorn.
Do you want some strawberries?
Yes, please.
Have you tried these cakes?
Yes, it's so delicious.
What kind of juice do you want?
I want orange juice.
Are we buying ice cream?
Yes, we need ice cream.
What's your favorite flavor?
Chocolate is my favorite.
How many cookies should we get?
Let's get a dozen.
Do you want to pick out a cereal?
Yes, I want the one with the tiger on it.
What kind of bread should we buy?
I like whole wheat bread.
What's your favorite type of cheese?
I like cheddar cheese.
Do you like to choose your own yogurt?
Yes, I like picking the flavors.
Should we get some milk?
Yes, we need milk for cereal.
Do you want a special treat today?
Can we get a chocolate bar?
How many eggs should we buy?
Let's get a dozen eggs.
Do you like to help with the shopping?
Yes, I like picking things.
What kind of juice should we get?
Orange juice, please.
What kind of shoes should we get?
I like the ones in the red bag.
What should we get for breakfast?
I want pancakes.
What do you think we need for lunch?
How about some sandwiches?
Do you like to pick out cereal?
Yes, it's fun to choose.
What's your favorite flavor of jam?
I like strawberry jam.
Should we buy some fresh vegetables?
Yes, let's get some broccoli.
Do you like to help with the groceries?
Yes, I can carry the bags.
What kind of fruit do you want?
I want some juicy grapes.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
I like carbonara.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
I like spaghetti.
Do you want to choose a treat for later?
I want a hamburger.
What kind of ice cream should we get?
I like vanilla with chocolate chips.